Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this purple and teal makeup look. And to start out this look, we're going to be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Then I'm going to be using the purple shade out of the Zulu palette, and we're going to be putting this in the outer corners and the crease. Next, I'll be using a Millani Concealer, and I'm going to be cutting the creases. I went with a more winged out cut crease, but then I end up covering it up with some more purple later on. Then using the same Zulu palette again, I'm going to be using this greenish teal shade. And we're going to be putting that on the lid area. Now to wet my brush, I'll be using the MAC Prep and Prime spray. Then I'll be using the lighter teal sparkly shade in the Zulu palette. And I'm going to be putting this in the middle of the eye. I feel like this gives the color a little bit more dimension and shine. Then I'll be adding a little bit more of the purple shade in the outer corners. Now I will take a little bit of the purple shade down into the bottom lids. And for the inner corners, I'll be using the sparkly teal color. For the lashes, I'm using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara. And I'll be topping this with false lashes later on. For my contour, I'm using a little bit of light brown powder and putting it on my forehead, nose, and cheekbone areas. Next, for blush, I'll be using the Sigma Cosmetics Aura Blush. For my highlight, I'm using the LA Colors Illuminating Skin Enhancer in the shade Moonbeam. And for my lips, I'm using the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade Embellishment. And that completes today's purple and teal makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look down in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you again next time.